Hi, my name is Wayne, and today I'll be showing you how to use Rehook PLUS, the definitive cycling multi-tool. Rehook PLUS is the ultimate tool to get you back on your bike. It includes tyre levers, wrenches, spoke keys, screwdriver and hex heads, as well as the classic Rehook tool head. Rehook PLUS works with a range of different bikes, including e-bikes. In this video, I'll guide you through each of the different functions. We'll start by looking at the Rehook chain tool head. If you find yourself with a drop chain, just remember these 3 simple steps: hook, fit and turn. Hook your chain with your Rehook tool, place your chain back on at the top of the gears and use Rehook as a handle to turn your gears forwards. Rehook PLUS comes with 2 tyre levers. These are designed to take the tyre off the wheel of your bike. The black lever on the end of the tool is designed to do the heavy lifting. The edge is finer and straighter, making it much easier to run around the rim of your wheel. The blue lever can be removed from the tool by pressing the blue hexagon in the middle of the wrenches. It comes with a handy spoke clip which can hold the lever in place while you work off the tyre with the black lever. It's important to ensure your tyre is fully deflated before you start to remove it from the wheel. Rehook PLUS also comes with 3 wrenches on the front of the tool. These are 8mm, 9mm and 10mm. To access the wrenches, simply pop out the blue tyre lever and attach it to the correct size bolt. These wrenches can be used to make a number of adjustments on your bike. Just make sure that the wrench is the correct size for the bolt. Rehook PLUS comes with 2 spoke keys. The left key is 3.23mm and is used on most bikes. The right key is 3.45mm and is used on most tandems and e-bikes. These can be used to adjust the tension of a tension spoked wheel. In the back of the PLUS, you'll find a Phillips PH1 screwdriver and a H5 and H6 Allen key. These can be found by removing the blue lever from the back of the PLUS. Once you've selected a tool, you can place it in the 6mm magnetic socket at the front of the PLUS. These can be used in a number of different areas of your bike to make adjustments. Rehook PLUS also includes a silicone strap, allowing you to take it with you on bike rides. I recommend attaching it to the down tube of your bike. The strap grips best when it's on a looser hole. If it's over tightened, then the holes become larger and it doesn't grip as firm. And that's everything you need to know about using Rehook PLUS. You can get yourself a PLUS at www.rehook.bike. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more maintenance tips and how-tos.